Hey there guys, welcome to Casehead single box break number 407, 12-13 Panini Prime. The last team that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on September 3rd at 8:24 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'm going to go to eBay's current date and time. Refresh one more time. And so eBay's current date and time is Tuesday, September 3rd at 9:54 p.m. Pacific, and Wednesday, September 4th at 12:54 a.m. Eastern Time. So 407. This is box 7 of 8 from the case, and our serial number is NE1909666799. To our serial number, and E1909667999. Just set that up. Go over the box. Just give me 1 second, guys. Just gonna be able to see my screen there. There we go. Sealed. So I'll set you guys back up here. I'll show you serial number one more time, and we will get started for tonight, guys. Yeah, go Montreal. Zero or 6799. Okay, so good luck, everybody. And this break I am doing live on TV too, so don't mind me if I'm gonna chat with somebody while doing this break. It's empty. So here we go. Good start to the break. We got a base gold, or the hollow gold of Craig Anderson for the Ottawa Senators, number 1 of 5. 1 of 5. We got prime namesakes for the Philadelphia Flyers of Braden Shen. That is number 2 of 75 for the Flyers. We got primetime rookie jersey of Cody Golubov for the Columbus Blue Jackets at a 99. We got prime gloves of Lucky Luke Robitaille, 23 of 25 for the Penguins. We got quad jersey autograph for the Ottawa Senators of Mark Stone, 84 of 249 for the Sens. And on to our Dominion pack. And we got base of Ed Belfour, 24 of 25 for the Blackhawks. And we have a 3-color Dominion auto rookie patch of Delton Prout for the Columbus Blue Jackets, 37 of 47. So that concludes the break for tonight, guys. So we got the last box of prime from the case and 5th tin of the cup out of the case, and we got live for the eBay purchase your own team Dominion break or prime break up. So you can grab your teams there. It'll be a live break for Sunday afternoon. And have yourself a great night, guys.